because that's how we are here.
Kuma riria President Uhuru Kenyatta aruguririe gicukiro kia meri kia Lamu, arugamiriri akio maugite ni kiamukiritio wega kuringana na gikiro kia merigo iria maramukira.
This is our fifth commercial vessel, apart from the first two, which came during the opening, the commissioning of the port on 20th of May by His Excellency. And basically on productivity, it has been very good here at the port of Lamu.
Murugamiriri wa gicukiro giki Abdalla Samata augite ni merigereire meri ingiri kuite ngari na murigo ucio niguo utanyitwo kuguna hori biashara ingi kuona ngari ici gutwarwo kundu gutiganite ta kaunti ya Nairobi.
So far we have been doing transshipment from here to Zanzibar and from Zanzibar to outside. And we now expect the next shipment to be car carrier. If we can get a car carrier, we are planning for that, so that the people surrounding the port will feel the effect of the port. Because now mostly it's just transshipment within the port area. The effects don't, the community cannot feel the effects of the port.
Gukinyeria riu aigithia aingi marerikana ni mambiririe kuguciririo gicukiro-ini giki kumana na wingi wa mawira maria mararutirwo hakuhi na gicukiro.
Kuna watu wa shipping, kuna watu wa KPA. Kwa hivyo the community here ndo inatupatia accommodation, ndo tunapata chakula kutoka hapo. So wamepata some increase in the whatever they are getting. Na pia kuna matumaini sasa kwa sababu watu pia wameanza kuinvest around the port area.
Arugamiriri a gicukiro giki maugite ni merigereire kugura mashini cia kiriu cia guteithiriria kuruta na gufokera mirigo meri-ini niguo gutikage na muhatikano uria ungicungiriria mirigo gucerithirio gicukiro-ini giki.
We are trying to put strategies, we are trying to put the resources we have as at now, because we expect more, as it has been explained, so that we give the vessels which are calling here the services, as I've said, of the international standard.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, Njitagwo Gathoni, Wanjihia.